Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make chicken shrimp gumbo soup. Yes, chicken shrimp gumbo soup. Let's do it. Okay, this is an old favorite. I remember eating this when I was a kid, so I thought I would bring it back to you. Okay. Alright, so let's get started. So on the stove right here, you can see I have a pot already boiling with water. Okay? Okay. So now I have one medium onion diced. I'm going to put that in. And let me just focus the camera to the stove at all times. Okay. So I have the onions I just put in. Here's some chicken. I cut off the meat off of 3 chicken drumsticks. That's what I'm using tonight. So this is going in. I have some shrimp. 6 large size shrimp that I'm saving for later to put in because it's too early to put it in now. And I have some tomatoes that I'm also saving for later that I'm gonna put in a little later. Okay, I want the onions and the chicken to cook first. Also, I have some okra. Let me take that out and show it to you. Okra. So I have about 5 or 6 of these. I'm going to cut up and I'm going to add that later. So we're going to let the chicken and the onions catch up first. And then that'll be about, I'd say 10 minutes. And then we'll start incorporating the seasonings and the other items, okay? Alright, we'll be back in 10. Okay, so our chicken and onions have been cooking for 10-15 minutes maybe. I'd say around 12 minutes. This is chicken base. I'm going to add, now if you don't use chicken or eat chicken, use vegetable base, okay? Okay, I'm going to do 2 heaping tablespoons of this. 1, 2, alright? Now we're going to start adding in our seasonings. Well, before I do the seasonings, let me put my tomatoes in. This is 4 small tomatoes. I'm putting them in. Now I want to add the Creole sauce. It's Creole seasoning, not sauce, seasoning. Creole seasoning. Remember, seasoning is up to you. How much you want to put in or how little. Okay, now I'm going to add the black pepper. Some garlic. Some Lowry, sorry, let me show you the black pepper and the garlic. Let me do that. Okay, black pepper and garlic. Okay. Lowry seasoning. Lowry's. I like Lowry's. Okay. Now I want those tomatoes to come back, to bring the water back up to a boil, which will probably be another, I'd say, 5 minutes. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so our tomatoes have broken down and went to liquid. So now I want to add the okra. Okay. And we're going to let the okra cook for about maybe 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the shrimp. Okay, so we'll be back in 2 minutes. Oh, why don't I give you the word of the day while I'm at it? I have 2 minutes, right? Okay, so you think you're all that in a bag of chips, right? Well, that's good. You should think that, because if you don't boost yourself up, who would, right? You are the best you can be to you. Let's just hope that in some kind of way, whether it's your attitude, your personality, your smile, the way you pay attention to details, maybe some of that transfers over to all that in a bag of chips. Okay? Okay, I thought I'd give you that laugh for the word of the day today. Okay? Because you are special. Alright, that's the word of the day. Alright, I'll be back in 2. Thanks. Okay, so now I'm going to add the shrimp. And we should be done in a few minutes, because until the once the shrimp turn orange, we're done, which is usually just a few minutes. I want to see if the okra is soft. Not quite. Okay, we want that okra soft a little. Not much, a little. If you let it get too soft, then it gets all runny and gooey, and we don't want that. Okay, but we do want it soft so that when you bite into it, it's a little firm, but not mushy. Okay, I'm going to give that a minute. Okay, guys. Our chicken shrimp gumbo is out, as you can see. How about that, huh? Looks good, right? Okay, let me see if I can get a thumbnail. Oh, no, that's too high. Here's a thumbnail. How about that, huh? Cool. Okay, now let me taste it. Want to get some shrimp, chicken, some okra. There we go. That's how I remember it. Delish. Okay, you try yours, okay? Talk to you soon. Love you. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. Share the video and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.